The best car shampoos safely remove dirt, preserve paint protection, enhance shine, prevent scratches, and keep your vehicle looking newer for longer. My today's video is about top 5 best car shampoos that won't damage paint that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Velux Wash Car Wash Soap. This ceramic-infused car shampoo delivers an excellent balance of cleaning power and paint protection. Its pH-balanced formula effectively removes stubborn dirt, road grime, and contaminants while remaining gentle enough for delicate paint finishes and existing ceramic coatings. The rich, foamy lather helps minimize swirl marks and scratches by lifting debris safely from the surface. One of its standout features is the advanced CO2 trimolecular technology, which enhances gloss while reinforcing your vehicle's protective layer with every wash. Instead of simply cleaning, it leaves behind a slick, just waxed appearance that keeps your car looking freshly detailed. The spot-free finish also reduces water marks, making drying easier and producing a cleaner final result. Whether you're maintaining a ceramic-coated vehicle or simply want a premium wash that boosts shine and long-term protection, this shampoo offers professional quality performance that helps preserve your vehicle's finish with every use. Now our second product is Adam's Mega Foam Car Wash Soap. Adam's Mega Foam Shampoo is an outstanding choice for anyone seeking a safe, high-performance car wash solution. Its ultra-concentrated formula generates an impressive amount of thick, lubricating foam, making it ideal for foam cannons and foam guns while helping minimize the risk of scratches during washing. The pH-neutral blend effectively removes dirt, pollen, road grime, and other contaminants without stripping wax, ceramic coatings, or paint sealants. The shampoo rinses clean with no streaks or residue, leaving behind a glossy, freshly detailed finish. It also protects plastic and rubber trim from drying out or discoloring, making it suitable for regular maintenance. The slick foam provides excellent lubrication, allowing wash mitts to glide smoothly across the paint for safer cleaning. Made in the USA and backed by a satisfaction guarantee, Adam's Mega Foam Shampoo offers professional-grade cleaning performance that keeps your vehicle looking spotless while preserving its existing protection. Our third product is 3D Pink Car Soap 1 gallon. 3D Pink Car Soap is an excellent choice for drivers who want a safe, effective, and paint-friendly car wash. Its high-sudsing formula creates thick, lubricating foam that surrounds dirt and grime, allowing your wash mitt to glide smoothly across the surface while minimizing the risk of swirl marks and scratches. This makes it especially suitable for vehicles with wax or ceramic coatings, as it cleans thoroughly without stripping existing protection. The pH-balanced formula is tough on road film, dust, and everyday contaminants while remaining gentle on your vehicle's finish. It rinses away cleanly, leaving no sticky residue and helping restore a glossy, freshly washed appearance. Whether used with the traditional 2-bucket method or a foam cannon, it delivers consistent cleaning performance and a satisfying washing experience. Overall, 3D Pink Car Soap offers a reliable combination of strong cleaning power, paint-safe protection, and impressive foam, making routine car maintenance both easier and safer. Now number 4, Blackline Automotive Extreme Foaming Car Shampoo. Ultra Foam is a premium car wash soap that delivers excellent cleaning performance while remaining safe for virtually every vehicle surface. Its rich, high-foaming formula clings to paint, loosening dirt, grime, and road contaminants so they can be rinsed away with minimal effort. The thick foam also provides added lubrication, helping reduce the risk of scratches during washing. One of its biggest strengths is its versatility. Whether you prefer using a foam cannon, foam gun, or the traditional bucket method, Ultra Foam produces consistent results with very little product thanks to its highly concentrated formula. It is gentle enough for paint, clear coats, glass, plastic, and metal, making it a reliable all-around solution for routine vehicle care. The shampoo rinses clean, leaving behind a glossy, showroom-quality finish without residue. Trusted by professional detailers and easy enough for beginners, Ultra Foam offers outstanding value, impressive cleaning power, and dependable protection for maintaining a spotless, well-cared-for vehicle. And our last choice is Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Pure Wash. This pH-neutral foaming car wash is an excellent choice for maintaining your vehicle's finish without compromising existing protection. It effectively breaks down stubborn dirt, road grime, and everyday contaminants while remaining gentle on paint, glass, trim, and other exterior surfaces. Because it won't strip wax, sealants, or ceramic coatings, it's ideal for regular maintenance washes. Its standout feature is the thick, clinging foam that surrounds and lifts dirt away from the paint, reducing friction and helping prevent swirl marks or fine scratches during washing. The rich suds rinse away easily, leaving a clean, streak-free surface with enhanced gloss and clarity. Whether used with a foam cannon, foam gun, or traditional bucket wash, it delivers consistent cleaning performance and a smooth washing experience. Combining powerful cleaning ability with paint-safe protection, this car wash is a dependable option for anyone who wants professional quality results while preserving their vehicle's shine and long-term finish. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.